With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading. Baker Gray's just round the corner. That's quite nice. That's kind of like brunchy stuff.
Yeah.
They do an amazing cake entering that.
Do they?
Really good.
Like woodcraft as well.
Yeah,
but I
like
like
it
for
there.
breakfast.
Yeah, we went like today, didn't we?
Yeah.
And the Find. I love the Find.
Yes. Not been in there for a while.
No,
either.
that's really good.
What's the food like in there?
Really good. So it's quite. I had poached eggs with hollandaise sauce and salmon. Smoked salmon. It was the nice hollandaise sauce I've ever had.
And was it hot?
Yeah.
Because
It
some
was
people
lovely.
do hollandaise sauce
Cold. No, it was warm. Yeah.
that.
No, I know. It
So
should
it's
be
put me
warm.
off ordering something.
Yeah. We always have they do like a really good cooked breakfast. One of my food. Good cooked breakfast, like proper good quality stuff though, you know. So they do loads of stuff.
Unusually, the
Toasted
topic of
sandwiches.
conversation is about food.
Poached eggs.
And where have you come from?
Yeah, we've come from Scotland.
Brilliant.
Originally from Scotland, and we've come down to pick a CA up at Swindon.
I'll shoot a little bit of your clip of your van on the back if that's alright.
You can do if you want.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
We do an Instagram page for Scots Trails.
Scots Trails on
Scots
Instagram.
Trails, Instagram.
Oh well.
Motorhome hire in
We'll
Scotland.
leave it in on the video. And yeah, well thanks very much for coming to check us out.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
He's just talking about YouTube videos and I said, well let's get you on one.
Yeah. What colour is this, Trevor?
I'll tell you what, from day to day we just don't know what's going to come in.
Well, you know, you're looking.
It looks sound as a pound, isn't it? Okay, cheers buddy.
Yeah, but we follow you on Instagram.
Oh right, okay.
You'll see it's Scots Trails. But we do those and some smaller ones. Now this is an odd colour, Trev.
It is, isn't it? I have seen this colour before.
Odd colour.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's going to stay that colour.
This lovely chap's come to see us, haven't you?
We have. We've been following on the YouTube. We've popped in for a chat.
Thank you very much for coming. What's your name, sorry?
Paul Smith.
Paul. Good to meet you, Paul.
Trev?
I'm doing all right. We're doing all right. We've had a busy day.
Very busy.
Do you know, I work with a chap and he came today all the way from, not just to see us, they come from Pembrokeshire.
Which is brilliant. Really cool. I love it. I love the colour. I need one that blends in with the van look. Colour coordinated. Yeah.
Morning, Laura. We've just opened, so we're waiting for the customers to come in. That's weird, I've just had deja vu. That is very weird, isn't it? Anyway, Laura's just been in. She's a very clever lady. She's a ceramicist. Friday yesterday, and I would say that we had our first busy day of the year yesterday. We completely sold out of cakes and had some very interesting people drop by, so thanks very much to everybody that come to see us off the back of the videos actually. So that was really, really nice for folks to come the distances they have. Unbelievable, brilliant.
Nice.
But one guy who I'd like to mention is Craig, who I used to work with, restoring cars, and most incredible guy really. Shortly after he left working at the place that I was working at, he went off and bought a fishing trawler to turn into a house, as you do. And this guy doesn't sit still for very long, and he's actually doing the same as us now, and he's operating a mobile business making cheese toasters called The Melt in Pembroke. So if you're over that way, please check out The Melt. Good to see Craig anyway.
I had the oxbloods,
Yes,
but I
that's
wore
what-
them
yeah,
to
they're
death
really cool, aren't
for about a decade, and they totally fell apart. Which
How's the coffee and walnut cake going down, Trace?
they? Going down, yeah.
It's going down, isn't it? Dot's just had a slice of cake for her son.
Who says he doesn't like coffee?
But he likes coffee and walnut cake.
Yes.
Well, that's another day done, Birdie. Saturday done. Just tomorrow to go. Good day, haven't we? Yeah. Good day. Yeah, coffee and walnut was gone, wasn't it? Very quickly.
Yeah.
Didn't last long. Let's go home. Let's pack up. Birdie's on a mission. She's always on a mission when it's time to go. Come on then, let's pack up.
Just enjoying a quiet drink before we open.
Yep. Indeed. I'm having a coffee and I had a bit of a headache this morning, which isn't always a good combination for me, but oh well.
Not the strongest.
Yeah, Trace is drinking water.
It's not a good advert for a coffee van, is it?
No, it's alright. Anyway, well, we're well early because Trace is a stickler. She was going crazy at me earlier. Come on, hurry up, we gotta go, we gotta go. I said, we'll be set up half an hour before we need to be. I think we're actually set up 3/4 of an hour before we need to be today.
Good to be early and
It's-
ready.
yeah.
So somebody always takes you off guard if you're
Yeah.
a bit behind.
And if it was down to me, what would we do?
You'd still be in bed.
We'd still be in bed probably now, and then we'd be rushing at the last 10 minutes and in a bad mood probably.
Probably.
Probably, yeah.
Definitely.
Oh, is Philippa there?
Yeah.
They've just got a Australian sheepdog,
It's untrainable apparently.
which is, yeah, it's wild.
But it's met its challenge with Philippa, I think.
Yeah.
She'll train it.
I picked it up the other week because it was going crazy. It was like jumping up 6 foot in the air. It was only a puppy. It's grown incredibly though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And I held on to it I held on to it at the waistline. if a dog's got a waistline. And each end was spinning round frantically, gyroscopic effect in my arms. You alright? Yeah, good, thanks. Australian sheepdog. Oh no. Mick, his name's Mick. Mick Dundee. It's alright, it's all good footage. Sorry?
Sheep stuck in the fence.
Oh, right.
I had to walk all the way back up because I didn't have a knife to get my scissors. You got it out? Yeah. No, sorry.
It definitely calmed down a little bit. Very vocal.
Stuff like that in with it.
But it works.
Yeah, because cocoa makes the sauce, the tomato flavour, come out more. Yeah, I've done that a lot.
How much cocoa do you put in?
Just like a teaspoon or
What,
so.
neat cocoa?
Yes, yeah. You will find it does make it a richer.
Marmite?
Yes, Marmite.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
And then,
I'm going to televise this, guys.
I'll go with that round, and then you put the tomato chopped
I was learning.
Every day's a
nice. Yeah, not before a nice sauce. It's how you put it.
It's Sunday. Birdie's on a mission. Packing up time.
That coat I saw. It's reduced. It's reduced.
Look at that lamp over there, that glass one.
Which one?
Trace is in her element now.
I like this one. This is the one I saw last time.
This is Monday, we're our day off, isn't it, Trace?
Yeah.
We're in Stow-on-the-Wold, by the way. In domestic science currently.
Look at them. Little candles. Yeah. Red jars.
Was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
See the moon side by side and through.